94% of drivers have no idea these tricks even exist. And the worst part is just one hack on this list could save you thousands in repair bills you should never have paid. Mechanics, dealers, detailers, every one of them profits from the same thing. You not knowing what is sitting in your pantry, your toolbox, or built right into your car. The chemistry is identical to the products they charge you for. The only difference is the price tag. Today, we are exposing 15 genius car hacks that mechanics absolutely hate, the kind of tricks the repair industry quietly hopes you never figure out. Stick around, your wallet is about to thank you. Hack number 15, the Vaseline door seal treatment. Your car doors are getting harder to close. They make a cracking sound when they shut, and the rubber seals look dried, faded, and starting to split. The dealership quotes $200 to $400 per door for replacement. Here's what the dealer never puts on the quote. Rubber seals do not wear out from use. They dry out from sun and temperature swings. Treating them is the same idea as moisturizer on cracked winter skin. The material is starving for conditioning, not replacement. Grab a jar of plain petroleum jelly. Apply a thin layer along each seal with your fingertip. Work it in and wipe away the excess. The petroleum jelly soaks in, restores flexibility, and creates a moisture barrier that blocks UV damage. A $3 jar handles every door, the trunk, and the sunroof seals. Your doors close smoothly, and you just avoided $1,600 in unnecessary replacements. Hack number 14, the Coca-Cola battery cleaner. You turn the key one morning and the engine cranks slow, hesitates, then barely starts. You pop the hood, and there it is. White, chalky crust building up around your battery terminals like dried foam on a beach. Most drivers panic and head straight to a shop where mechanics quote $150 to $300 for a brand new battery they swear is dead. Here is what they will not test first. Pour a small amount of regular Coca-Cola onto the corroded terminals. It fizzes immediately the same way an antacid tablet dissolves in a glass of water. That fizz is the phosphoric acid neutralizing the alkaline corrosion on contact. Let it work for 2 minutes, scrub with an old toothbrush, rinse and dry before reconnecting. Your battery was never dead. The corrosion was just blocking the connection. A $2 can of soda saves you a brand new battery you never needed. Hack number 13, the rubbing alcohol wiper fix. Your wipers are dragging streaks across the windshield, skipping in patches and squealing on every pass. The shop diagnoses worn rubber and quotes $30 to $60 for a new set. Here is the test they will not run. Most wiper problems are not caused by worn rubber. They are caused by an invisible film of road oil, car wash residue, and airborne grease coating the blade edge. It is the same reason your eyeglasses smear when you wipe them with a dirty shirt. The lens is not damaged, it is contaminated. Pour rubbing alcohol onto a microfiber cloth. Lift each wiper and run the cloth firmly along the rubber edge, both sides. Flip the cloth and repeat until it comes back clean. Wipe the windshield with the same alcohol to strip off any waxy buildup. The streaking is gone, the squeal disappears, and a $3 bottle just bought you another 6 months out of blades the shop wrote off as dead. Hack number 12, the sewing pin nozzle adjustment. You hit the washer fluid lever and the spray goes everywhere except where you need it. One side hits the roof, the other rolls off the hood, and the driver's side gets nothing. The shop calls this a washer system inspection and bills $30 to $50 for the diagnostic alone. Here is what no mechanic bothers to explain. The nozzles are not broken. They are pointed the wrong direction. Each nozzle has a tiny ball joint tip with a pinhole opening like aiming a miniature garden hose. Slip the tip of a sewing needle gently into the spray hole and apply light directional pressure, up, down, left, or right. The whole nozzle pivots in the direction you push. Test, adjust, and repeat until both streams land dead center. The entire fix takes under 60 seconds. A sewing needle from a kitchen drawer just saved you a $50 service ticket. Hack number 11, The toothpaste headlight restoration. Your headlights look cloudy, yellow, and faded. The lenses scatter your light beam at night and cut your visibility down to a fraction of what it should be. The auto shop offers headlight restoration starting at $80, running as high as $150. Here is what they are charging for. Polishing, the exact same process you can do with toothpaste at your kitchen sink. UV damage clouds the polycarbonate lens the same way years of mineral deposits cloud a wine glass. The glass is not broken, the surface is dull, and a mild abrasive brings it right back. Squeeze plain white toothpaste onto a damp cloth, the gritty paste kind, never the gel. Scrub each lens firmly in tight circles for 2 minutes per side, rinse and dry. While the lens is still damp, apply a thin coat of paste car wax and buff it out. Total cost at home under $5. Hack number 10. The WD-40 Rust Shield. Rust does not announce itself. It starts where you cannot see it. Inside door seams along frame rails on the underbody where road salt collects every winter. By the time it shows on the surface, the structural damage underneath is already years deep. Body shops charge $100 to $300 per application. Here is the chemistry they will not explain. WD-40 stands for water displacement 40th formula. That is literally what it does. It pushes moisture off metal and leaves a thin oil-based barrier that blocks oxidation. It is the same principle as waterproofing a winter jacket. The metal is fine, it just needs a coating that water cannot penetrate. Spray it along your undercarriage, into door seams, around wheel wells, and across any exposed metal. Apply twice a year, especially before winter in salt belt states. A $3 can does the job a $300 shop service is sold to do. Before we get into the second half of the list, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button. Every like helps push these money-saving tricks to more drivers who are getting fleeced at the shop right now. Done? Perfect. Back to it. Hack number 9, the white vinegar glass treatment. Your windshield is technically clean. You washed it. You used name brand glass cleaner. You wiped it with a fresh towel. Then the late afternoon sun hits at just the right angle and the glass turns into a wall of blinding glare. The detailer offers a glass treatment service for $30 to $60 to restore optical clarity. Here is what they are not telling you. The film causing the glare is not dirt. It is leftover soap residue, silicone overspray from interior sprays, and airborne kitchen grease that builds up over months. It is the same reason a greasy frying pan refuses to come clean with just water. You need acid to break the bond. Mix equal parts plain white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, spray it onto the glass, and wipe with a microfiber cloth. The acetic acid dissolves the film and evaporates without leaving residue. A $3 gallon of vinegar lasts a full year of treatments. Hack number 8, the tire pressure check. You check your tires by glancing at them in the parking lot. They look fine. They are not fine. A tire can lose up to 5 pounds per square inch before it visibly looks low. By that point, your fuel economy has dropped, your handling is compromised, and the sidewall is flexing like you are walking around in shoes 2 sizes too small. The shop charges $15 to $20 to check and adjust all 4 tires. Here's what the shop forgets to mention. A digital tire gauge does the same job in 30 seconds and never lies the way cheap pencil gauges at the gas station do. The ePauto digital tire pressure gauge is one of the most reliable units out there. Accurate to 1/10 of a pound, lights up for nighttime checks, and costs less than a single shop visit. Properly inflated tires improve fuel economy by up to 3% and cut blowout risk dramatically. Link is in the description. Hack number 7, the AC condenser. Wash your air conditioner is on full blast, but the air feels lukewarm. You change the cabin filter. The refrigerant tested fine and the system passed inspection. The cooling problem is sitting in plain sight right behind the front grille. The shop quotes $150 to diagnose the AC system. Here is what they will not check first. The AC condenser sits at the front of your car and releases heat from the refrigerant. Over years, it packs with bug carcasses, road grit, cottonwood seeds, and leaf debris. Imagine trying to breathe through a screen door packed with dead leaves. Airflow drops, heat cannot escape, and your AC works twice as hard for half the result. With the engine off and cool, aim a garden hose gently through the front grille from the engine side outward. Avoid pressure washers, which flatten the fins. Run the AC, and the temperature drop is obvious within a block. Hack number 6, the sunroof drain rescue. You notice damp spots on the headliner after a heavy rain, or worse, a puddle on the passenger floor mat for no reason you can identify. The dealer diagnoses a failing sunroof seal and quotes $300 to $600 for repair. Here is the diagnosis they skip 9 times out of 10. Your sunroof is not leaking through the seal. It is overflowing because the drain channels are clogged. Every sunroof has 4 small drain holes, one in each corner, that route water through tubes down to the underbody. Over time, leaves, pollen, and bug debris pack into those holes the same way hair clogs a shower drain. Water has nowhere to go, so it backs up into your interior. Use a flexible piece of trimmer line or a long pipe cleaner to push the debris through. Pour a cup of water into the corner to test that it drains free. $2 in supplies in 10 minutes, and the leak is gone for good. Hack number 5. The clay bar paint refresh. You wash your car, dry it, and run your fingertips across the paint. It feels rough, almost gritty. That texture is years of bonded contamination, brake dust, tree sap, industrial fallout, and rail dust embedded into the clear coat at a level no soap can lift. The detailer offers paint decontamination for $150 to $300. Here's the secret they keep behind the counter. The professional decontamination process is just a clay bar treatment. The exact thing you can do yourself in your driveway. Think of it like exfoliating dead skin. The surface is not damaged, it is just buried under years of buildup. Pick up a clay bar kit from any auto parts store for $15 to $25. Spray the lubricant on a small section of paint, then glide the clay bar in straight lines. Within 30 minutes, your entire car feels like glass under your hand. Hack number 4, the olive oil dashboard conditioner. Your dashboard looks dull, dusty, and faded. The plastic has lost its depth, and any spray dressing you tried left a greasy film that attracted twice the dust within a week. Premium dashboard conditioners run $20 to $30 a bottle, and most smell like a chemistry lab. Here is what works better, costs almost nothing, and is already in your kitchen: olive oil. The same oil you put on a salad acts like leather conditioner on an old jacket. It absorbs into vinyl and plastic, restores color depth, and leaves a clean, low sheen finish without the tacky residue silicone sprays leave behind. Put a few drops onto a microfiber cloth, never directly onto the dashboard, and work it across the surface in long, even strokes. Buff off any excess with a second dry cloth. Treat the dashboard once a month and your interior looks newer 5 years from now than it does today. Hack number 3, the belt squeal diagnostic. Your serpentine belt is squealing every time you start the car or turn on the AC. The shop tells you the belt is worn and quotes $100 to $200 to replace it. Before that belt comes off, here is the test mechanics never offer. With the engine running, spray a short burst of WD-40 along the ribbed side of the belt. If the squeal goes away and stays gone, the belt was glazed or had moisture on it, not worn. It is the same logic as oiling a squeaky door hinge before you replace the whole door. If the noise comes back within a few days, the belt is genuinely worn. Either way, you just avoided a $150 repair. While you are under the hood, the smartest tool to keep in your glove box is the Fixty OBD2 scanner. It plugs into your dashboard port, reads any check engine code in plain English, and tells you what is wrong before a shop gets their hands on it. Link is in the description. Hack number 2, the slow pump fuel method. Every time you fill up, you squeeze the trigger to full flow and stand there waiting for the click. It feels efficient. It is actually one of the most expensive habits a driver can have. Here is what happens at full pumping speed. The fuel rushes into your tank fast enough to agitate the sediment that settles at the bottom of the underground storage tank. Imagine stirring a glass of muddy water. Instead of clean fuel, you are pumping disturbed contaminants straight into your tank. That sediment slowly clogs your fuel injectors, stresses the fuel filter, and degrades engine performance. Pumping at half speed gives fuel time to settle and dramatically reduces contamination. While you are protecting your fuel system, add Chevron Techron Fuel System Cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. It cleans deposits off your injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Link is in the description. Hack number 1, the AC shutdown habit. You park, turn the key, and walk away. The AC was blasting on full all the way home, and the climate control was still set on max when the engine cut off. Here is what happens the next time you start. The compressor engages immediately under maximum load, drawing massive current through your battery and slamming the AC system with a hard mechanical hit. Repeat that every drive, and the compressor wears out years ahead of schedule. Replacement runs $500 to $1,200. Here is the habit that prevents it. 30 seconds before you reach your destination, turn the AC compressor off and let the fan keep running. The fan dries condensation off the evaporator core and prevents mold growth, which causes that musty smell every summer. Then when you start the car next, the compressor engages with zero load. It is the same principle as closing apps before powering off your laptop. Years added to your AC, thousands kept in your wallet. That is 15 genius car hacks the repair industry would prefer stayed buried. The chemistry, the methods, the savings, all of it has been sitting in your kitchen, your garage, and your owner manual the whole time. Drop a comment and tell me which hack you are trying first this weekend. If this video saved you hundreds, hit subscribe so the next one finds you automatically. And right now, click the next video on your screen. The mistakes that drain your wallet fastest are the ones you do not even know you are making. We are exposing every single one next.